Dear audience, I would like to about how to earn money on online. Today is explained about multiple income in addition to own profession. Additional income in writing. The topics that I am talking about this moment is how to use your free time to find a way to contribute to the society as well as earn to extra income with your own talent and thinking. Thinking free time, what to do, time is running out. Open a web portal or Google site where most of the visitors are interested in knowing various things through online or Google. If you can explain something in simple language and able to present your thinking power by writing, open such a website and write there 3 to 4 months. You can transfer the site to .com or .net. First of all, why am I showing reluctant to open a large site? In these 3 to 4 months, you will understand whether people are reading your writing. Everything can be seen or known through Google Analytics. If you get a response and you think you can continue, then buy a domain and hosting and convert it into a full website. Let's know before that what is domain and hosting. Domain is the URL or the name of the people will find your website, and hosting means that all the data of your site will be stored somewhere like type hard disk or memory, but this service is provided by different companies whose server service is mainly a specific one every year. Amount includes fees, so they have to be renewed every year after buying them. It costs a lot, so I am interested in starting the initial work by opening the free web portal at the beginning. It is easy to profit by becoming proficient in customizing your site and other settings related skills. There are some things to be noted here. Why it is better not to take that sector as full time. It takes 2 years get to a position in this. If you can survive that time and see the balance with the income and expenses, do not stay there and go for another profession to make the right decision. If you don't know the work, there is no chance to lose a year or two in the middle. So it is better to come this way knowing well. Not only writing, you need to know Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Photoshop. If you have a good command and have your own computer, proficiency in English is also required. Now you can think that if you join coaching to learn computer.